Hello everyone, Princess and the Bear here.
Red Suns.
Red Suns. So today we wandered into Batuu and we found a scrap dealer.
Savi.
Savi. So?
We're going to Savi's workshop.
Yes we are.
And I'm building a lightsaber.
Yes she is. I want you to take 2 guesses of what kind. Well, we're going to see what kind of evil device the princess can construct. And we'll see you soon.
Sure, subscribe.
See you. You heard the girl.
I know there's a lot of secrecy out there, but now you are safe inside our workshop. Thank us, guys. Of course, you've met my fellow gatherers, and you can call me Kimbe. As you look around our workshop, I'm sure you're thinking, this is a lot of old junk. But please, let me clarify something, all right? Some of it is new junk. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers, because we search the galaxy for ancient relics. We go to forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find, we bring here. So, where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. Of course, you've heard of the legend of the great Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes. Well, we hear there is a new Jedi. If you know her name, please say it. Rey. Yes, Rey. And what she's leading is the spark of hope that we've all been waiting for. And that's why you're here, to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, you will feel that connection. Listen, enough talk. Let us begin. We will start with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. It is able to focus the energy of the force and then magnify it. Some say it is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the blade. Blue, wielded by the great Obi-Wan Kenobi, Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by the great Mace Windu. Red. It is called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now, Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past, my friend. We are here for you, our future. So now it's time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So please, everyone, close your eyes. Please, close your eyes. Yes. Now, picture it in your mind. And in your mind's eye, I want you to choose your color kyber crystal. And remember, it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you. Now open your eyes and choose your crystal. Remember, my friends, trust your instincts. What color is calling to you? Master Yoda. Wonderful, my friends. You have now chosen your kyber crystal. Please place it on the green crystal holder in front of you. Yes. Now, it is time to join your kyber crystal with the saber design that you have selected. It is time to build the hilt. Now, the hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber, the center of control, if you will. It also keeps your hands from disintegrating. I hear that's important. Inside these boxes, you will find the components that you have chosen. We will begin with the chassis, grips, emitters, pommel caps, and activation plates. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey, so just as you have chosen your crystal, you will now select each part to create your own unique saber. My fellow gatherers are here to assist you on your journey if you need any help. Remember, trust your instincts, and let's build.
Rising Moons travelers, my name is Shayna and I will be your gatherer today, assisting you with the build process. We're going to start on your left with your chassis. You just want those vertical lines upright. You'll notice on the top has a little give. That will help you to insert your kyber crystal. I find that it's easier to go pointy end down and to push it from both back and front. You will notice it once it lights up the color of your choosing and you're able to spin it around.
And then have your other hand top side to the top.
Perfect, are you able to spin it?
It should light up.
And let me know if you need any
And you
assistance.
should be able to spin it as well.
There we go. Perfect. Next, we are going to go to step 5 with your activation plates. You will notice that there is a red and a blue square on your chassis. That's just going to match up to the red and blue squares on the activation plates of your choosing. You're just going to snap them right on.
Only need one and they each come as a pair. On the inside, you will
Right. Unfortunately, they do need to come as a
that match. The red and blue boxes on your chassis.
It's tough to see.
So line up the red box with the red, the spell with the blue, and they should stack perfectly with the red.
Just make sure the colors are matched up.
So, down.
Perfect.
There we go.
And just go ahead and flick that switch and make sure it does spark for you.
I think it did.
Your spark is on?
It sparked.
Perfect. That is how you will activate when the time comes. Next, we're going to jump to steps 1 and 2 with our grips. You can use any 2 of the 4, top or bottom. You just want to look for that wider feathered end that will go towards the middle with your activation plates. You're going to push and give it a
Now we're ready
twist.
for our grips. In front of you, you have 4 sets of grips. You only need 2 of those though. They are interchangeable. Any of them will go to the top, any of them will
Make
go
sure,
to
yep,
the bottom.
perfect.
You're going to take the thickest part of your grip, place it towards your activation plate, and give it about a quarter of a turn.
I actually think I'm going to put this one on the bottom.
So the 5 and 6 right there can go towards that activation.
I don't know. It's supposed to be blinking?
Just make sure it's the side of it perfectly. And you're going to want to push it in and give it a twist.
Your thickest part is going to be these toppers.
There we go.
Sometimes it helps to push your activation plates together. Just let me know if it's still not going.
I think it's... I don't... Yeah, sure.
Thank you. I'll just switch out a part for you.
Now, after you got both of your grips on there, you're ready for your order and your combo pack.
There we go. Traveler, my apologies.
It comes out and it should snap on. Your combo pack will go on the bottom and it also says
Yes. Next, you are going to move to your emitter. Step 3, that will go where your blade emerges.
I'll place it right in front of you.
So you're already there. Once you have your emitter, you're just gonna, Is it fully twisted on?
This is a hard choice.
How are we doing?
Good.
Is it not catching?
Well, I twisted this on, and then the other one came loose.
Oh, okay. It is scrap metal after all.
Yeah.
You never know what it'll do. May I see it real quick?
Sure.
I mean, you want to do it. But then we also
Break everything.
How are you feeling, my friend? Wise choices that you made here. What is your name?
Did you get it?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. So now I can try it again. Let's see. Or wait, not this one. This one. There we go. Now it likes it.
All right. Perfect. So now we're going to go on to section 4, and we're going to choose our pommel cap. That'll be the end. That's where all the power is stored up.
This one.
The ancient call to you, my friend. Yes? You see the inscriptions here. You see what they say?
So what drew you to power and control? What drew you to it? The power and control.
I like the Sith.
May I see it? What color crystal we have?
Red.
Very fitting. Alright, so when it is time to activate this saber, we're going to flip the switch up.
Okay.
That'll turn it on.
All right, great.
We're going to put this right here. Get these extra pieces out of your way.
Please, place your hands on your hilts. I want the connection to begin. I want you to think about, where will you wield your lightsaber? What is your story? Yes. Wonderful. You've all created your hilt. Nothing unexpected or traumatic happened, right? Yet, yeah. Which leads us to the most dangerous stage of the process. So for your safety, please leave your hilts at your station. I need all of you to step back, please. All of you, please step back. Good. Now, my fellow gatherers are placing the lightsabers into the stabilization chamber. We are stabilizing the crystals for activation. This takes one with training and experience like my fellow gatherers here. Wonderful. Now, my friends, what's happening?
Many parts stronger now. Join the yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
That was Master Yoda. My friends, it is time to take the next step. The final journey. It's time for the builder and saber bond to be forged. In a moment, I'm going to tell you to step forward, place your hand on the hilt, and on my signal, we will activate together. Are you ready, my friends?
Yes.
Please, step forward, place your hand on the hilt, and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your lightsaber. remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, for your new lightsaber, we are proud to present you with a saber sheath as you exit. My friends, our time together has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers that you have created. Perhaps maybe next time, we'll be telling your story. Till the spire!
Till the spire!
So that means until we use that one, it's 6.
We are the Sith.